This is a message to black parents. Have we forgotten who we are? Have you forgotten who you were? You are making us stand. You are the people who are making us weak and wake up and the second of the day and blame us, while you are the people who behind our backs are weak. I know some will hate me for saying this, but let us face it all. Most of our black parents are weak. They are pathetic. Many will say, I am doing this video for attention. And I will own up today as part of those who are growing up in this attentive society, and so to say, yes, I may want that attention, but I want that attention through facts. Have we forgotten who our parents are? Maybe it is time for this world to be put into an end, or we are all the done generation that only needs people to stay away from us. We have become the lone wolf of the society. I gotta look myself out into a room, be off by myself, because I had been so to be said that I am the black sheep of the family. Therefore, it is time for me to bound and move alone. I once read a book whereby Robert Greene said, isolation is dangerous. But we are the generation that prefers isolation than being with our parents until they are dead and we see that we've lost a meaning. Yeah, we appreciate them, but we also blame and criticize them for being weak, because you cannot say you can't beat your children because there's a lesson or there's a law, because at the end of the day you are the one who's doomed. And maybe we are the dusted generation. I don't blame us. I blame our parents. Have we forgotten who we are? Maybe this comes from afar, but I hope that one day, someday, soon, these rules will change, because the lessons have been learned and laid upon.